So let's talk about DEEPBRAIN CHAIN. So DEEPBRAIN CHAIN, they have a very good platform. Now, if you know what they call Alexa, so Alexa is basically a system where you ask questions. It's like an AI assistant. So the new process, like my system, for example, I could ask Cortana. Let me ask Cortana. Cortana, could you help me search who is the president of America?
Real estate search might be able to help with that.
No.
Would you like to use it?
I did not say the real estate search. I said, who is the president of America? Cortana, who is the president of America?
Donald Trump is the president of the United States.
Okay, thank you. So that is what DEEPBRAIN CHAIN is all about. So they want to bring in a system where those who are in the AI startups will be able to leverage computing power. So you see platforms like PolySwarm bringing mining in such a way where you as a person, you have a computer and your system is being bombarded with antivirus from all directions. So why they are saying, okay, why your system is being bombarded by antivirus from all directions? Why not bring in a system where it can be protected from all directions likewise? So if you look from 2012 to 2016, according to the estimate, there have been 5,154 AI startups that's actually emerged. And these startups, they've received funding of over $22.4 billion. Now you'll be talking about, okay, what is the main problem of today's systems? Now the main problem is, the major problem most AI startups face is the issue of getting computational power to actually train these neural networks. So what would DEEPBRAIN be doing? DEEPBRAIN will be decentralizing the neural network operation. Now, how would they do that? How would they be able to do that? They will do that using two things like smart contracts and then decentralize the whole system using nodes and the rest of them. So how would they do that? So with smart contracts, data provided and then data training party are physically separated or protecting data privacy. So with smart contracts, those who have data can actually connect with those who need data. And then another thing again with this system, they will be able to adjust their neural network nodes to fit the user's need. So let's take for example what they need what you want for to train your network or your AI or whatever. It's such as X amount. Oh, they will be able to allocate computational power that will be able to fit your need. And then another thing again they want to do with the system is they want to restrain AI in DEEPBRAIN CHAIN through smart contracts from potential threats for humans. I don't know how they will do that, but well, a lot of people are afraid, oh, this artificial intelligence is coming up and the rest of them, they will replace humans, they will destroy humans. So with their system, they will be able to take away all those stuffs. Okay, so what are the main problems and the main drawbacks of today AI startups? Now there are two problems. One of the problem is the problem of computational power. And then how will DEEPBRAIN solve that problem? By providing something like a CI coin. So you can say DEEPBRAIN CHAIN is basically the CI coin or the storage, or the way Substratum, for example, is to websites, you host websites and the rest of them. DEEPBRAIN CHAIN is to AI startups. So computational power is one of the problems of AI startups. The another problem with AI startups is the issue of algorithm. And then another one is data. So DEEPBRAIN CHAIN will be a platform where they will provide all these systems. So and that's DEEPBRAIN CHAIN will help people with is to also serve as a decentralized data trading platform. So you as a party that has data, you'll be assured that your data first will not leak, or your data will not be received without your permission. And you can actually track the way data moves. So what would DEEPBRAIN be doing? Now, DEEPBRAIN is built on 3 principles. One of the first principles has to do with the extended principle. So the extended principle makes it possible to add new modules. Maybe, like I told you, there's what called the smart budgeting. So maybe an AI startup needs X amount of computational power. With the DEEPBRAIN network, we can say, okay, let's allocate such amount of nodes to this person to actually do this stuff. Now, most times we cannot actually envisage what's going to happen in the future or in the course of time. So what DEEPBRAIN Chain will do, DEEPBRAIN Chain is going to allow the system, we can actually add new modules to this stuff. And then the stretching principle, it can enable it to expand quickly. And then the privacy principle. The privacy principle is what makes NewBrain unique. So your data, for example, nobody's going to exploit your data. Nobody's going to use your data without permission. Then the benefits of the NewBrain Chain, it's with NewBrain Chain, bringing decentralization, you're taking all this middlemen away. It makes for low cost. It helps optimize neural network computational performance. It's highly concurrent, and then low latency levels. So you want to be saying, okay, who is behind our NewBrain Chain? So NewBrain Chain has top scientists, and they are the first AI computing platform to be using blockchain. And then they've created a platform that acts like Amazon Alexa. So you want to go through the thing, then the institutional investors in partnership they have with some persons, there's some investors they have on board. So you want to see where they'll be coming from. So in 2012 they were able to create Smart 360, and then 2013 you can see the first artificial intelligence semantic open platform. Then the list goes on and on and on, what they've been able to do. So you've seen a system that has been built from 2012. They have a very top thing, and then talking about where they are going from now. So do your own research on this platform, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. So what is DEEPBRAIN Chain in a nutshell? DEEPBRAIN Chain is a platform that is similar to Substratum, but in different aspects. Substratum is to website. DEEPBRAIN is to AI startups, but it goes beyond Substratum. Do have a very, very good day.